Hi, Tim from MAP-Torch, and today I want to talk about some of the features of our rotating torch. So one of the big key features of this torch is it's regulated, so this torch can be used in any orientation. Nextly, it is a trigger start torch. So to ignite the torch, press up on the trigger, to turn it on, turn on the gas. So this torch has a swirl flame. This is a good flame for heating up large areas, like larger diameter copper pipes, or plates, or larger bolts. The flame is adjustable with the on-off knob, so you can turn it down until it's off. So the head of the torch can actually swirl into any orientation 360 degrees, and this can be helpful when getting into tight spaces in between sort of joists. The other nice feature with this is, oftentimes carry a bucket around to store our stuff. This torch fits nicely on a bucket. So yeah, that's our swirl flame torch. For more information, please visit us at magtorch.com.